So now we will discuss what is meant by the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. So a degree of polynomial is nothing but it is the highest power of the variable. It is defined as the highest power of the variable, that is called as the degree of a polynomial. For example, let us consider the same example which we had before. Okay, so let us consider the example p of x. P of x is equal to 4x plus 1. So here the variable is x is the variable, four, that is the coefficient of x, and this 1, this is the constant term. Right. So now what is the power of the variable? What is the power of the variable? Which is the variable? The variable is x. So where the variable is present? Here. So what is the power of the variable? Power is x power 1. The power of x is x power 1. No. So the highest power of the variable, that is the, so this polynomial 4 of x will have the degree is equal to 1. So how do I get this one? This one is nothing but the power of this variable x. Okay, so let us look at one more example. P of y, I have y cube minus 2y square plus 1. Okay, so let us write out the terms. So this one is going to be our constant term. So this is the variable and this is also the variable, and we have minus 2, so minus 2 is the coefficient of y square. So what is the coefficient of y cube? 1 is the coefficient of y cube. So the coefficient of y cube will be, the coefficient of y cube is 1. So because I can write it as y cube as 1 y cube, the meaning does not change. Okay. So what is the degree for this? What is the degree for this polynomial? So it is the highest power of the variable. Where is the variable? I have variable y square and also y cube. So this is having power 2, this is having power 3. I have to write the highest power. Okay. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. 3 is the degree of the polynomial. Okay. So let us take one more example. P of u is equal to 2u square plus 3u minus 5. So let us write the terms that are involved here. So this is minus 5 is going to be the constant term. So when I take the term, I have to take along with the sign. So 5 is not the constant term. Here minus 5 is the constant term. Here plus 1 is the constant term. Okay. So u is the variable, and here also we have got one more u. This is also nothing but the variable. This is also a variable, and we have plus 3. So we have to take it along with the sign. So plus 3, that is the coefficient of u, and we have 2 here. 2 is the coefficient of u square. Okay, fine. So now I have to take the degree. We need to find the degree, right? So degree. So which is the degree? So we have u power 1, and here we have 2. So but we have to take the highest term. We have to take the highest power. So the degree here is 2. 2 is the degree of the polynomial.